Sup guys, your boy Quickstocks is back with another video, and today we are going to be analyzing one of my favorite companies, Visa, ticker symbol V, trading for $163 a share, down well over 20% from its highs seen in February, giving us a historically low PE of 30. Not without reason though, Visa has already stated a Q2 revenue miss in its projection due to the CV. As you can see from our position, I picked up $4,000 of Visa for the sub $150 range. Is it time for us to double down or cash in? Let's take a look. It's important for me to note, with a potentially looming recession in which many people will not be able to keep up with their bills, it's important to remember that Visa simply makes money every time someone uses their Visa card, regardless if they pay their credit card or not. It's the bank that issues the credit card that assumes liability. Visa simply processes the transaction between the bank and retailer, charging a predetermined fee. However, it shouldn't be overlooked. In a recession, consumers spend less, which hurts payment processors like Visa or MasterCard. But let's be real, the secret to your boy Visa's success isn't short-term price action. What happens this quarter or this year is just relative to the long-term growth potential you could have when owning Visa. Of course, it's no surprise to anyone that millennials are the ones paving the way among people ditching bills and coins in favor of credit or debit or digital payments, with 4 out of 10 Americans saying they make no purchases with cash in a typical week, while at the same time approximately only 15% of Americans say they make all of their transactions using cash. So clearly, the trend is, in the United States, a cashless society. But can digital payments recreate this success across the globe? That will be Visa's real catalyst for success. Money, money, money. Let's take a look at how Visa will be able to handle the tailwinds expected for the rest of 2020. So, as we can see, as of December 31st, 2019, Visa had $74.8 billion in assets, $14.3 billion cash on hand, $13.5 billion in long-term debt, and $39.5 billion in total liabilities. As we can see here, Visa's total revenue has doubled since 2013. As of 2019, our boy Visa has had just shy of a whopping $23 billion in net revenue. Even more impressive, Visa has had around 15,000 employees, which may sound like a lot, but for a company bringing in $20 billion in revenue, that's actually pretty impressive. In Q3 2019, Visa stated that there were 340 million Visa credit cards in circulation within the United States, with another 800 million cards outside of the United States, putting Visa as the world's second largest card payment organization, only being surpassed by China's UnionPay. Even with Visa on fire, it's important to note that not all businesses are a fan of Visa. To process a credit card payment, the merchant must pay a fee to 3 different middlemen: the credit card network such as Visa, the credit card issuing bank, and the consumer bank, meaning Visa's fees can range from 1 to 3%. And of course, when money's involved, this can lead to plenty of beef between companies like Walmart and Kroger, whom in the past have threatened to completely stop accepting Visa credit cards for a period of time due to the card's high swipe fees. Luckily, these companies have been able to come to an agreement that currently customers are allowed to use Visa credit cards within their stores. Let's see if we can get a better idea of Visa's game plan by checking out some of their acquisitions from 2019. As of July 4th, 2019, Visa reached full ownership of Earthport, a provider of cross-border payment services to banks, money transfer service providers, and businesses. With Earthport, Visa can reach over 99% of consumers and small businesses' bank accounts in 88 countries, including the top 50 markets. On July 17th of 2019, Visa announced it completed the acquisition of Payworks, a provider of next-generation payment gateway software for the point of sale, to be a competitor to like Square. And on September 12th of 2019, Visa announced it completed the acquisition of Verif, a leader in technology solutions that reduce chargebacks. Verif's dispute resolution tools, combined with a fraud management and risk solution, will give buyers and sellers intelligent, data-driven capabilities that reduce the time and cost of dispute resolutions. Visa also acquired Plaid, which enables users to connect traditional financial accounts to new app-based platforms. For example, this technology is what allows you to link your bank account to your Venmo account. Visa is bringing business-to-business payments to 32 new countries. However, earnings growth is going to slow down while competition in digital payments gets stronger and a weakening global economy. So what's my plan? Well, I certainly don't expect CV concerns to blow over in the next month, which I suspect is going to lead to plenty more volatility in the market. And honestly, since I've already opened up a position, I'm not necessarily interested in increasing my cost basis. But I suspect we will have another buying opportunity to purchase Visa for the sub $150 range in 2020, which I would absolutely love to pick up some more Visa around the $140 range. Anyways, that's all I got for today. Be sure to give me some of that dopamine and hit the thumbs up and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.